folks, John Belinsky here from See Me for Life. Our whole goal is to help you maximize your mind and really maximize your learning, okay? Any patient that you see clinically, any patient that you see who's got pulmonary complaints or any kind of pulmonary pathology, whether it's hypoxemia, whether it's crackles, wheezing, rales, anything going on in their lungs, you don't want to make a horrid mistake. You don't want to make a horrid mistake and miss something. You don't make a horrid mistake with these pulmonary patients because you can get burned. HORD is a mnemonic that I teach for any patient with lung symptoms. Cough, wheezing, shortness of breath, dyspnea on exertion, paroxysmal nocturnal dyspnea. If they have lung symptoms, you don't want to make a horrid mistake because you could miss something. You want to ask, is it their heart? Is it obstructive, reactive infection, or death from a PE or pneumothorax? You always want to think about what's going on with this pulmonary patient, and HORD is a mnemonic. Because if you walk into a room looking for bronchitis, you walk in the room with a telescope, you will miss the PE because your brain's not open to it. It's a cognitive deficit.